Hey guys, welcome to this new video. I am here with 10 free Udemy courses, so let's get started. First course is Arduino meets Python. If you want to learn Arduino, then you must check out this course. It has 43 minutes on-demand video lecture and more than 14,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 3.0. What you will learn in this course is written here. It has full lifetime access when you enroll in this course, and after the completion you will get the certificate of completion. Only one day is left. Next course is how to solder electronic components like a professional. If you want to know how to solder an electronic components, then you must check out this course. It has 1.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 2,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 3.3. What you will learn is written here. It has only one day left. Next course is Arduino Radar. If you want to learn about Arduino Radar, then you must check out this course. It has 1 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 6,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 2.8. What you will learn is written here. It has also one full lifetime access and certificate of completion, and one day is left here also. Next course is Crash Course to learn Python coding from basic beginning. If you want to learn Python from basics, then you must check out this course. It has 3.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 23 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 3.7. What you will learn is written here, and here also one day is left. Next course is the complete Android ethical hacking practical course. If you want to learn about ethical hacking, then you must check out this course. It has 5.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 69,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 4.2. What you will learn is shown here, and here also one day is left. Next course is React, the complete guide with React hook. If you want to learn about React, then you must check out this course. It has 5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 27,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 4.2, and here also only one day is left. Next course is Complete Progressive Web App Bootcamp. If you want to learn about progressive web app, then you must check out this course. It has 1.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 9,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. This course is new. Here also only one day is left. Next course is Complete Digital Marketing course in Hindi with Google. If you want to learn about digital marketing, then you must check out this course. It has 31.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 37 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 4.3, and this course is bestseller right now. What you will learn is shown here. You must check out this, and here also you will get the full lifetime access, and after the completion you will get the certificate of completion, and here also only one day is left. Our second last course is Neuro Linguistic Programming. If you want to learn Neuro Linguistic Programming, then you must check out this course. It has 2.5 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 3,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. Here only 22 hours is left. And our last course is Build a Successful E-commerce WordPress site with proper SEO. If you want to learn about how to make a WordPress site for e-commerce with the proper SEO, then you must check out this course. It has 6 hour on-demand video lecture and more than 28,000 students have been enrolled in this course so far. The rating of this course is 4.2. What you will learn is shown here. Here also only one day is left. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more free courses, then you must subscribe to my YouTube channel.